TileBoi Part 4, Video 164. We are error checking in this video. We have a lookup table here. Paired lookup table G25 to R4X and G25 to R4Y. This is the rendering layout position converted to a data layout position. They are paired arrays. They need to be used together. And down here is where we're doing a cross check. We are taking the input G25 value here. You'll notice that they're the exact same numbers right here because, like I said, it is a paired array. And whatever tuple is created from this should exactly equal these values here. Otherwise, we're going to throw these specific error messages to note which line of code failed. AT stands for assert tuple equal. It's a shorthand reference. We also have shorthand references to these lookup tables here. This code is working, so let's just go on to the next section. Here's where we're checking to see if a tuple is equal, the actual function code. Tuple 1, tuple 2, the first tuple, the second tuple, error message. Make sure it's an array, make sure it has exactly 2 elements, and then make sure the elements are equal, and then return void. Here is what we did in the previous video. And here's a little diagram kind of explaining what's happening. So we're taking that G25 value and we're trying to spit out these different cell coordinates here on the data layout. This is a 512 by 512 texture that contains an entire level pack. Each one of these 128 by 128 grids of pixels encodes a single level within that level pack. Everything is packed in scanline order, so we're going from left to right, top to bottom, as the numbers you see here can indicate. Footnotes and what we did in this video. You've been on this playlist here. If you want more information, you can go to this playlist. This has been video 164.